Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best sublimation printer for t-shirts available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Serpco's heat press machine for t-shirts. The 360 degrees swing away function of this heat press machine will prevent accidents and burns, and the commercial grade steel frame is built to last, and also ensures that there are no issues with the intense heat drawn from these presses machine. In addition, the overheating protection function also ensures safe and stable use. This heat transfer machine's Teflon coated plate reduces incidence of damages and also promotes easy and even transfer of heat. At number 6 we have Yubori heat press machine for t-shirts. Unlike ordinary single-tube heating, this heat press machine adopts the latest double-tube heating technology. It keeps the temperature differences only about 5°C between the center and the edge. But the old-fashioned heating tube is more than 10°C. This large LED screen display with easy-to-operate silicone buttons. That makes it simple to set desired parameters as needed. It has 3 modes, can be switched freely to make the heat press 12x15 easily set and store 3 sets of data. At number 5 we have Yubori heat press machine for t-shirts. The swing arm is fully rotated 360 degrees. That's allowing the heating element to move to the side, reducing the chance of accidental contact. You can making the pressure to be applied directly and evenly downwards enhances the quality of transfer further. The upgraded handles are more labor-saving and stable. It comes with 2 layers of thermal insulation cotton. At number 4 we have Yubori shirts. This large LED screen display with easy-to-operate silicone buttons makes it simple to set desired parameters as needed. It comes with the counting function and memory device. And it has 3 modes, can be switched freely to make the heat press 12x15 easily set and store 3 sets of data. You can making the pressure to be applied directly and evenly downwards enhances the quality of transfer further. At number 3 we have Yubori heat press machine for t-shirts. The digital press machine can display time and temperature to provide you with precisely control. This Yubori t-shirt pressing machine have 4 foot pads at the rear sides of the chassis to increase stability and avoid tip over when the heating plate is turned to the side. This heat press machine have the powerful and professional function that helps you easily transfer letters, numbers and colorful images to shirts. At number 2 we have Yubori heat press machine for t-shirts. The swing away arm makes the pressure to be applied directly and evenly on t-shirt press, improving the transfer quality. This 3 modes can be switched freely. The heat press 12x15 machine has memory function, easily set and store 3 sets of data. No need to set parameters repeatedly. At number 1 we have Cozy heat press machine for t-shirts. This refurbished aluminum casting body comes with polished anti-fingerprint finish, ensures it will last for years with uncompromised performance and remain brand new despite repeated everyday use. This revolutionary alloy rail for easy transition among cup, hat and plate heat press cushion. This anti-skid yellow handle made of rubber provides comfortable hand feeling. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best sublimation printer for t-shirts for your need.